Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some interesting GK questions. So let's start. First question. Which is the second most spoken language in India? Answer: Bengali. The Kargil operation was named as? Answer: Operation Vijay. Which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? Answer: Uttar Pradesh, and the chief minister was Sucheta Kriplani. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer: Hirakud Dam. NEFA, that is North-East Frontier Agency, is the old name of which Indian state? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer: Arctic Ocean. Which city is also known as the cultural capital of India? Answer: Kolkata. In which country Suez Canal is located? Answer: Egypt. Only continent in the world without a desert is? Answer: Europe. Which port in India is called Queen of Arabian Sea? Answer: Kochi in Kerala. India's first underwater rail tunnel is constructed in which river? Answer: in Hooghly River, which is in West Bengal. The first Indian woman to go into space? Answer: Kalpana Chawla. The country which lost the largest number of people in the Second World War? Answer: Japan. The biggest private commercial bank in India? Answer: HDFC Bank. Solid carbon dioxide is known as? Answer: dry ice. Which gland secretes insulin? Answer: pancreas. Scientific study of birds is called? Answer: ornithology. Panama Canal act as a link between which oceans? Answer: Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. ISI, that is Indian Standard Institute mark, is a certification mark for which products in India? Answer: for industrial items. 10-degree channel separates which two islands? Answer: Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which is the largest fort in India? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.